Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a new topic in the C programming. It's the beginning of the C programming, that is nothing but flow charts. Right? Today topic is flow chart. About flow chart, I will tell the meaning of the flow chart where it is being used already. Few of you may be aware of those things because this is a common, I mean, uh, common technique they've used in the mathematics in the earlier days. They're used in the mathematics to solve a problem in very easy way. Okay, this flowchart concept actually it is from the mathematics, but in the programming field also, in the programming case also, this flowchart is very much useful. Why? Because by using this flowchart, we can get a very clear idea to write a program or to design a software, right? So, what is a flowchart? What is a flowchart means actually the flowchart is represented by diagrammatically. Some diagrammatically representations of some entity is nothing but called as flowchart. You might have seen this kind of diagram, right? This kind of diagram, 1 minute. This kind of diagram you might have seen in mathematics or in anywhere. If you search this flowchart in the Google, like this diagram will come. So different block boxes are there, rectangular box, right? Circular box here, diamond shape is there, some parallelogram is there, right? Different shape boxes are there. So those boxes represent some different meaning in the flowcharts, right? So what are those box? What they are representing? Everything I will tell here. So what is the meaning of flowchart, sir? It is a graphical representation or diagrammatical representations, right? Through this flowchart, we can easily solve a problem, right? Generally, in the mathematics, this flowchart was used earlier days when the software developed, when the application different softwares is developed, then flowchart concept also very much essential in the development of software because by using the flowchart, okay, a programmer or a software developer can get a good idea how to write the programs. Okay, how to write a particular correct code in the correct place. That kind of clarity will be given by this flowchart, right? So here I will write 2 3 points. It is a diagrammatically sorry. Diagrammatical representation diagrammatical representation PRESENT representation of 1 minute, guys. Okay, of a problem solution, right? Problem solutions, diagrammatical representation of a problem solution. Okay, by using this one, by using this flowchart, flowchart, the user will get clear idea to design software or design a program or software, we can say design or write a program or software. Okay. Next point I will write here. There are several several blocks or several, I can say several shapes of a block are used to represent different entity, right? Different entity. What are those? What are those symbol? Or we can say there are several shapes of block, or I can write here symbol, symbol. Symbols are used to represent different entity. What are those symbols, sir? Observe here. Tell what are those symbols? Okay. So here I'm writing here symbol, name of the symbol, okay, name. Then here I'm writing it is meaning. Okay, meaning. I'll give example also. What is the first symbol, sir? Like this oval shape. This is called, the symbol name is oval. It is used to represent the entity start or stop. Okay, start or stop. Similarly, there is one more symbol, right? Parallelogram. The symbol name is parallelogram, right? It is generally used for input or output. Input or output. The same way, there is symbol rectangle. This is a rectangle. Rectangle, it is, the meaning is here in the flow chart, process of operation. Process of operation or action, we can say, or action. Right? Next one is arrow mark. Like this, arrow marks are there. This arrow mark is called arrow. This arrow mark is used to show the direction of flow. Direction of flow. Next is diamond shape. This type of symbols or block are there to use in the flowchart. It is called diamond. Diamond, the symbol name is diamond. used to used for checking the condition or decision, right? Decision decision Next one is circle. Okay, a circle is there. It is called, the name is circle. It is used to join, for joining purpose, for joint purpose. We are using. So like these several symbols, these are the several symbols we are using in the flowchart to represent the different entity here, right? Okay. This is the figure, symbols. Okay. And here, this is one example of flowchart already. I've shown you at the beginning. This is the flowchart, right? Example of a flowchart. So all these symbols has been used there. Hmm. Right. Now one example I will give how these symbols will be used to write or to show a diagram or to show a flowchart. I will explain you with the example, right? Suppose I have a question. Suppose read two number. A question is what? Suppose I'm writing here. The question is read two number and find sum of two number. The sum of two number. Then how this question will be solved by the help of flowchart. If I list the step by step process, then what is my first step, sir? My first step should be, I should start. Okay, I will write there. First I should start. Okay, after start, what is the next step? I should read the two value. Read two number. Two number. Suppose number one number is A, another number is B. Okay. Next, what? Do the summation. Suppose C equal to A plus B. What is the next step, sir? Next step is I will print or display. I will display the value of C. Display C. Then my solution is over. Then I should stop this problem, right? First I should start. My question is what? Read two number and display the summation of the two numbers. So I should start first, then two numbers should be read, then addition should be done, then the result should be displayed, then my problem is solved. I should be end, I should stop. The same thing by the help of flowchart, how it will be the flowchart, how it will be looks like. Observe here. Suppose oval shape, this is right. In the oval shape, what I will write? The oval step is for start. Okay, start. Because observe here, I have written here oval shape is for start or stop. So here I have to start first. Then reading the two number. For reading purpose, which block will be used? Observe. parallelogram for input or output, right? Input or output. That means for displaying purpose also parallelogram block will be used. For reading the values also, input means reading the value also, parallel block also used. What is the next step, sir? I will read the two number. How to read the two number? I will read by this. Okay, I will draw the parallelogram here. Okay, parallelogram to draw, and here I have to write read A and B. Right? Read A and B. Then what is the next step? C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. That means summation. C, process of operation or action. Okay, process of operation. Now addition operation or addition I will do. Addition, how to represent? Addition is represented by any solution or any operations you are doing, mathematical operations, that should be represented by which block? Rectangular block. Okay, rectangular block. Here I will write what? C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. Next, after the calculating the result, what is the next step? Display C. Display means output. Again, for output, which symbol I will use? Observe parallelogram. For output and input, both parallelogram will be, for both input and output, parallelogram will be used. So once again, I will use the parallelogram to print the result, right? Once again, I will use the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. Here what I will write, sir? Here I will write print or display, anything you can write, no problem. Print C. Next is what? My question was to print the summation. Now printing is over, then I need to stop. Okay, how to stop? Same how you have started by oval symbol. Same the oval symbol you will be used for stop the used to stop the flowchart, right? Now this is a solution. Okay, this is a solution for read to number. Read to number and find the sum by using flowchart. Okay, by using flowchart. So this is the solution. Question. Control. Okay. Now one more question I will tell so that it will be more clear to you. Suppose one more question I'll write. Read a number. Okay, read a number and check it is even or odd. Okay, read a number and check it if it is check it is even or odd, right? So this question and the previous question, if you compare, this question is a little bit tough than the previous questions because here either I have to check even or I have to check odd. Both result I have to check here, right? Then, sir, what is the solution? How to draw the flowchart for this one? Same procedure I have to follow. What is the first procedure, sir? I need to start first. I need to start. First, I need to start. After that, what I'll do? First, after start, then I have to read that value. Read, suppose value name is A. This A I will check whether it is even or odd. Then how to check? How to check formula? I have to put the condition. What is the condition? If A percentile 2 equal to 0. Okay, if A percentile 2 equal to 0, then it is even. Display it is even. Suppose not equal to 0, then what will be display? Else display odd. Okay, then my answer I got, then I have to stop. Now the same thing what I have written, I'm going to represent diagrammatically, I mean flow chart I have to draw by using the particular symbols for respective symbols, right? So first is start. How start is represented, sir? Start is represented by oval. Okay, so here start. Next is what? Next, after start, I have to read that particular value. Read the value. Okay, I will read a value, and that value I will check whether it is even or odd. And for reading purpose, to read the value, which symbol we are using, sir? For reading purpose, we are using parallelogram. Reading as well as display. Input and display, both purpose, we are using parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. So here I will write here. Here I will write here. Read, suppose n. Here A I have written, but anything you can write, no problem. Read n. So after reading the n value, I have to check this condition. Okay, check this condition. Equal A percentile to equal to 0. It is a condition. I have to check this condition. If the condition is true, then display even. If the condition is false, then display odd. And how to write the condition? Observe here. For writing the condition, which symbol will be used? For writing the condition, observe diamond block or diamond box, diamond shape symbol will be used for condition or decision. So definitely here I have to use the diamond shape box for this particular condition, right? For this 1 minute, for this particular condition, what is the condition, sir? Condition is, I will write here, condition is what? If this n percentile 2 equal to 0, right? N percentile 2 equal to 0. Then when I will check the condition, it may be true or it may be false. So here, if it is true, I will go in this way. If it is false, then I will go in this way, right? If it is true, then what will be happen, sir? If it is true, then display, what will be display? It will display, so output, right? Output which block? If it is true, then display output which block? Output for rectangular block. Okay, output is for rectangular block, and similarly, if it is false also, you display output rectangular block. If it is true and if it is false. If it is true, then print or display even. If it is false, then print or display odd. Joined here to here, right? Now I got the result either based on this condition. Based on this condition, it may print this one or it may print this one, right? Based on the condition, it may print even or it may print odd. Then after the result come, then what is the solution? I got this result, then I have to stop. I have to stop. But here two branches are there. I need to join. For joining, we are using circle. Okay, I will using circle here. Circle. Join. Here to here join. And here to here join. Then after that, stop. Stop is oval shape. So stop. Right? Arrow mark. Here you write stop. Now this is the flow chart to check a number even or odd. Right? Even or odd. This is the flow chart. I hope the concept of flow chart. Generally, the flow chart is used for represent a problem solution diagrammatically, so that a better clear idea we will get in our mind to solve the particular problem. Nothing else is there. So different questions you need to think, and you need to draw like this diagram for that solution of that question, or to solve that questions. How the diagram should be, you need to draw the flowchart diagram, right? So I conclude here. Next video I will discuss some new topic, right? So please take care and bye.